So it's been a while since I've uploaded anything. I just went through and got all my lights that I think I'm going to be putting on this truck for now done. The last thing I got accomplished was actually the running board lights. So I have it set up so that they're both running lights as well as turn signals, and I was able to wire that in without splicing into my factory harnesses, which was a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I first tried going into the trailer auxiliary wiring harness and tried just doing a 4-pin connection with some relays, hoping that there wouldn't be enough draw with just about a few milliamps of draw, that it wouldn't trigger the computer to think that there was a trailer attached, but it was too smart for me, so I ended up actually having to go in and bypass the factory wiring harness between the body harness and the rear light indicator harness, so I didn't have to actually splice anything. When I bought this truck, I actually ordered it with what they call the backup beeper harness, which is this guy right here. So it just goes in between your body harness and your taillight harness, and then it has two wires that come off with a positive and a negative for that beeper coming off the reverser lights connection. So what I ended up doing was I found out what type of pin connections those were, moved the spare tire, and if you can see right here, this harness connection, where I have that going in between, is where that connects up. So I basically put in a jumper harness that goes in between, and then, oh, there you can see a little bit better. So that goes in between, and then you can see this harness wire right here, which is my auxiliary. So that's going to be, my turn signals, my park, my left and right, and the backup. Brought that all the way around, came out over here, and I have my reverse lights, which are going to these little KCC2s, which those make a huge difference in being able to see, especially when I'm backing up a trailer. And then that harness continues around and then goes over to the running boards, where I've got just a DT 3-pin connection. It comes down, and then I just wired the lights into here. So these are with just the standard running lights going, and I will go ahead and turn on my flashers, my emergency flashers, so you can see both the running light and the turn signals working. And we're not showing anything hooked up like a trailer or anything like that, so it's not interfering with the computer. It's only adding 1.5 amps worth of draw on the system, so it's not exceeding what the factory's wiring can handle. The nice thing about LEDs. So if you have any questions or anything like that, or if you're looking to do something similar to this, get in contact with me. I can make up some harnesses or set you up with a kit for being able to do this to your own truck. This is a 2022 F350, so anything from 17 and up should be the same type of connectors and harnesses. I also set up a set of KC Pro 6 lights, some side LED lights, as well as some caution flashers, and then I went with the KC, the lights over here to cover the blind spot that my other set of lights don't cover. If you want me to do additional videos on all that, let me know. Thank you.